Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Resting Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about passing environment variables via CLI in Bruno. Variables marked as secret in Bruno app are not accessible via the CLI. Pass them directly as command line arguments. With this approach, collection can be run against different environment like QA, dev, stage, etc. So this is the command we need to use in order to use environment variables via CLI in Bruno. I am going straight to the demo. I have already opened Bruno. I have created a collection called environment variables. I have created a get request. The request name is get user details. You can see here I have used a variable. Here I have also added one environment called QA. I will show the variables that is added in this particular environment. I am clicking on the configure option. So if you check, you can see I have added one variable called base URL and I have given the value like this. This base URL is not actual one, so this will not work actually. So here I have not used it as a secret variable. So if you hit this request, we will be getting some errors. I have added some assertion as well, but this is not going to work. But we will be overriding this value of this base URL while we are executing this collection from command line. So in that case, we will be passing environment variable from CLI. So if you hit this request, you can see we will be getting like this, because this qa.request.in such URL is not actually there. That's why we are getting this error. Now we are going to execute this collection from command line. I have already opened this collection location in file system. So from this location, I am opening command line. Now I am going to execute the collection by using this particular command. So this is the flag we need to use in order to pass environment variable. The flag is --environment -var. So I am copying this command now and I am pasting it here. I am executing the collection. You can see the assertion got passed and the base URL was used correctly. So this was the base URL used. So we have overridden the base URL value using the --environment -var flag. So with this approach, you can run the same collection against multiple environments like QA, dev, stage. So I hope this video was useful for everyone. If you find this particular video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share, and if you have any queries, please comment your queries in the comment section. I will be clearing out the queries. Thanks for watching and keep learning.